Have you ever wanted to create separate worksheets from a master workbook here? So basically I've got a spreadsheet of different hardware, but they belong to specific categories. I want to create worksheets at the bottom based on those categories and what hardware is included within that. And there's a quick and easy video to do this. Normally what you would do, you would possibly put a filter at the top in the header and filter against the category. But then what you would have to do is basically change the filter to find what's on that one, what's on that one, what's on that one, so on and so forth. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way. You don't have to do that, but before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a spreadsheet open up here. Let me clear the filters. What we need to do first and foremost, your raw data here, is convert this into a table. So I'm going to clear the filter from the top like this, and I'm going to convert this into a table. So everything in this spreadsheet is converted to table. So highlight where there's data, and on your keyboard hold down Control and press T. And what that will do automatically, it will highlight everything that's got information in there, which is fine. And this pop-up will appear and it's asking me to create a table, and this is the range of my table, and this is my headers. My table has headers, which is enabled. Click on OK. Now what you can see very quickly, it's converted the data into a table. What we're going to do now is create something called a pivot table. So highlight anywhere in the table, and at the top go to Insert, and you will see an option here under Tables which says Pivot Table. Click on the down arrow and click on From Table Range. Now what that will do, it will automatically select everything. So everything in that table is called Table 1, and we're going to put everything into a new worksheet here. Leave everything as is, then click on OK. What we are presented with is a new worksheet which is called Sheet 1, and here we have our canvas, blank canvas, to add our fields. So highlight anywhere where you see Pivot Table 1 here, so I'm going to highlight somewhere in there. Move over to the right side and you will see a field list. Because we are creating worksheets based on the category, our category is going to be here. You got filters, columns, rows and values. Our category is going to be the filter, because that's what we are creating the worksheets for. Now we need all the other information because that's really important. So I'm going to have ID in there as a row. I'm also going to have the device type name in there. In the rows, I'm going to have release year. I'm also going to have primary use case in there as well. You can change this about. If you don't like everything to be in a row, you can drag things into the column section as well. At the moment, everything's in a row. So for this ID, this is the the device name. This is the release year. This is the primary use case. But if I don't want everything to be in a row, I can drag the device name into the column like this. But you can see the table's getting a little bit messy now. Drag the release year in there and drag the primary use case in there. It looks messier than it was before. So I'm going to leave everything in the rows bit for now. Okay, so everything bar the categories and filters, everything else is in rows. You can play around with it to make it as you want it to be. Now what we do, everything has been put where it needs to be. We're going to create something called the separate sheets. So what I'm going to do is highlight. Actually, you can highlight anywhere in the pivot table, but at the top, go to Options, click on the down arrow here, and you will see three options appear. Options, Show Report Filter Pages, and Generate Get Pivot Data. The one you need to click on is this one, Show Report Filter Pages. Click on that one, and it will open up this pop-up box. And what you are essentially asking Excel to do is, based on the category filter, create the sheets down below here based on the different categories that we have, and then just simply click on OK. And what it will do very quickly, it's created all the different categories for you at the bottom. So it's easier to analyze, and it's easy to scroll across to whichever sheet you want to go to, or whichever sheet you want to present in a meeting to your colleagues as well. So that's just a very quick and easy video showing you how to create separate sheets based on specific data on filtering in your pivot table. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.